YOLO Reviews here, and today we're unboxing the Apple MacBook Pro with the M5 chip. So I got one of these earlier, and I got it in the 16 gigabyte of memory, and I needed to upgrade to the 32 gigabytes of memory because I'm editing a lot of 4K and 8K videos and 360 videos. So this is pretty much straight from the factory. It took me a while to get this. They don't have the 32 gigabyte MacBook Pro with the M5 chip available in many of the stores. What you get is the kind of base model with the 16 gigabytes of memory, and I needed that additional for video editing. So you see pretty much how it comes right out of the factory, and we'll open this up, show you the rest. There's a little tab you pull on the back here, and another one. I can't show you the back because that's where the serial number is. But we're releasing the two tabs, and that will get us to the MacBook Pro with the M5 chip. Very clean, very cool. They've got it in a like titanium black color or the gray, which we got here, which is just kind of the standard Mac finish. It always feels bad opening up these products because they're just so cleanly packaged. So you've got the computer here. You've got your charging cable right here. And then you've got some instructions, and you've got your power charging cube. And let's open this up so you can see it. And that is pretty much what we've got for our MacBook Pro M5 with the M5 chip. So I loved everything about the first one, and if I wasn't editing video, a great laptop because it pretty much has 24 hours of battery life, which is amazing. But with me, with the 8K video, file sizes are huge and you have all these different clips. You definitely need a larger memory to process that. And there's also the M4 Pro chips and the M4 Max chips. But I wanted to go with the M5 because I love the battery life on it and the efficiency of the chip overall and try it out. So I think with that extra memory, I'm going to be all good with the MacBook Pro with the M5 chip. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.